It's a beautiful day in the QuickBooks space, a beautiful day in your business place. It's your bottom line, money and time. Since we're together, we might as well say, won't you be my QuickBooks neighbor?
Welcome back to the next episode of QuickBooks and More. My name is Beverly Lang, and I am the Senior Director of Integrated Services here at Fishbowl. And today we're going to talk about QuickBooks. QuickBooks Desktop versus QuickBooks Online, and which one would be right for you. So as you all know, QuickBooks has been around since 1993 when it came out with its first DOS-based program. And Desktop has been around like a dinosaur. It's been around forever. So with QuickBooks Online hitting the market and really gaining some strength recently, people are confused. Which one do I need? Which one is more robust? Is it secure? Well, let's talk about all those questions and more. So Desktop comes in 3 platforms. It's Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. Pro and Premier are essentially the same software. The only difference is the number of users. With Pro, you have 3. With Premier, you can have up to 5. Enterprise is the most robust system that we have to date. It's going to allow you to have up to 40 users simultaneously, and your file size is about 5 times what QuickBooks Pro and Premier offer. All 3 platforms are subscription-based and are dependent upon number of users. However, there's been a lot of movement towards going SaaS. And what is SaaS? That's an online product that is secure, that gives you the ability to have access from anywhere. And that's what QuickBooks Online offers. If we take a look at the different options that we have here, you'll see there's 4 platforms: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Simple Start is just that. It's a very simple start to an accounting program. It's basically a glorified check register. I personally don't use it, don't support it, and don't suggest it because I don't feel like you're getting enough for what you're paying. Essentials is going to give you the ability to track your income, your expenses, create invoice and payments, and all of the features are listed here as to what you get with that. Plus is going to add on some additional features like the ability to track inventory, the ability to track project profitability. But QuickBooks Online Advanced is our most robust online system, and this is what I sell and support to 90% of my customers. With this, you're going to get everything you have in Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus, as well as some additional features. So if we take a look at those features, you're going to see all of the same things there, but you're going to have the ability to do some business analytics because Fathom reporting is also included inside of QuickBooks Online Advanced. You're going to be able to see KPIs and do some trend reporting. You're going to have the ability to batch invoices and expenses, which if you do a lot of invoicing, this comes in really handy. Customized user access. So this is crucial when you start growing your business and you need to differentiate the different duties and responsibilities between your accounts receivable, your accounts payable, your payroll. You can't do that with any of the lesser versions of QuickBooks Online, but with QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can. You're going to get the ability to have exclusive premium apps that only work with QBO Advanced. This opens up the whole solar system, so to speak. You could have every star and every planet out there aligned with you. So you would get the ability to add on any third-party apps such as Fishbowl Online for inventory, more robust inventory. You can have Bill.com for accounts receivable. You can have Webgility. You can have Shopify if you need to have e-commerce. There's thousands of different apps that are available and accessible with QBO Advanced. You're also going to have a dedicated account team and on-demand training. So videos that are going to show you how to get the most out of your system. There's automated workflows and the ability, and this one is huge, to back up and restore your company. So if you need to make some changes and you're not sure how it's going to affect, and you want to make a backup, make those changes, and then you want to go backwards, you can. But you can only do that with QBO Advanced. So as you can see, QBO Advanced has quickly become the accounting software of the future. And that's where you as a small business should really start to move towards. This is going to give you flexibility, it's going to give you accountability, and it's going to give you the ability to be ready for taxes. So QBO Advanced, that's what you should choose. So thanks for joining us today for QuickBooks and More. If you have other questions about these different platforms or you need pricing, as you can see here on our screen, we offer discounted pricing. We'll put the link in the comments below so that you can jump on and purchase the software you need, or you can just reach out to me and I'll be glad to go over them with you and talk to you about which one is right for you. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks and have a great day.